Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to install Roots Vibrosonic horn in Maruthi Suzuki Baleno without any warranty issues. The first step is to remove negative terminal of your battery. This step is to avoid any kind of short circuits. Then we need to remove the panel beneath your steering. Then remove the cover under your steering. Once the cover is removed, we need to do one step over there. We need to unplug a harness which is present under your steering. It's shown in the video. We need to pull out blue wire from that harness. Already we have prepared a wire in which a Molex terminal is already crimped. We need to insert that Molex terminal into the harness from where we pulled out the blue wire. After inserting, the harness should resemble something like this. After that, we will be left out with another wire. That wire we need to remove the insulation. That we need to connect to the Molex terminal of the blue wire. The connection should resemble something like this. We should not cut any of the car wires. After that, you need to properly route the wire to the switch panel. In this project, we are using Anupam 3-terminal switch. We need to connect the wire from harness to the middle terminal of the switch, and the wire from the blue wire should be connected to any of the terminal of the switch. After that, we need to close the cover under the steering. Screw it back. Now we are taking a Roots melody maker. In that black wire is a negative wire that we need to connect it to the leftover terminal in the Anupam switch. Properly route the wire to switch panel. And connect it to the leftover terminal in the switch. After connecting, we need to install the switch to the switch panel. Just push the switch into the panel. The switch is used to toggle between the stock horn and the horn that we are going to fit in our vehicle. Remove the bumper of your car to find the place where to fix the horn. Install low tone and high tone horn in front. The negative terminals of horn should be body earthed and the positive terminal Hope you guys find this video useful.